Do you feel better? Do you feel better?
It's better than yesterday.
Oh, okay. Yes, I'm happy to hear that. So you should take care of yourself. It's like the weather is changing. So it was summer and now I think it's coming
So
autumn.
from I have my baby to now. Um, every 1 month I wait one time.
You
I
get
guess
it.
you get yes, I get it one time.
Oh,
And and about 4 to 5 days per time. I don't know why. But from my I have baby to now. Always like this.
oh, okay. So what can you do to improve it? Maybe do exercise, do yoga.
Cannot. You cannot. And if I don't take medicine, I don't take cold medicine, it feel very serious.
Serious?
So yeah, serious.
Do you think you should go to see the doctor?
I already see doctor, but he said no problem.
Maybe see another doctor.
Another doctor.
Yes.
Doctor suggest me should get flu vaccine.
Yes, vaccine. Yes. I think it's
Yeah,
important because when you have a baby and you're not as healthy as you were before, because you
yeah.
separate your health with your baby, and if you got sick and you take medicine, your baby will be affected. So I think it's better if you take. So
Vaccine.
I think you don't have to take medicine. Just like your body is still good and it just recover by itself, but it's take longer than you take medicine. But if you take medicine so often, and then when you feel like when your body feel familiar with that kind of medicine, you have to take like higher, um, how to say it, like more
I
what's
understand your mean.
tác dụng mạnh. Cái gì mạnh. Yes, yes. So you know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's just like sometimes I got a cold and I just take some normal medicine, but I think I should not take it because then
Before Before I never take medicine, but I don't know how. From I have baby to now, I always have to take medicine. If I don't take medicine, I can't do anything.
so maybe when you feel sick and you just go out and have some fresh air and it's just like fresh air and maybe drink more water, it's gonna help you.
Drink more water, but I always have just easy and chảy nước muối.
Yes,
Very much. Yes, it's
easy.
very terrible. Yes.
Yes, I know that feeling is really bad. It's just like when I stay longer in the house and I feel it's better. It's like it's worse. So I think I should go out and then maybe go to some place
Yeah.
and maybe my health is better than you because I'm a bit younger than you. When I get older, maybe I will get that kind of feeling. I'm quite scared. So that's why today I went out and go to the university because it's so fresh. That is the University of Agriculture and Forestry. They grow a lot of big trees there, and it's so fresh. And I went there. There's no transportation. Not really. They have some transportation on the streets, but it's not so bad because a lot of trees there.
Yes. Your flat in near Thái Nguyên University.
Yes. Yeah, it's near Taiwan. You know, like a lot of university here are so close to each other, so I can go through this university to another university. That's why we have a lot of events when all the students come, and we have an event to welcome them, and like the student from this university can go to another university easily. It's just like we make a community for all the students here. So the one that is really flexible and enthusiastic. They can join a lot of activity when they are a student in Taiwan University. Yeah, like that's why a lot of Taiwan students are excellent. They can work in Hanoi or in some company. But I have some students from Hanoi, and and some of my friends they study in Hanoi in the really famous university, and then they come home. They come back to the hometown and get the normal life. because they didn't get any chance to practice the English or to challenge themselves in Hanoi because it's so hard for them to find a job in Hanoi when they are a student and they don't have a transportation and like traveling from their house to the working place it's not easy so they don't get a chance to and a lot of my friends come to Hanoi and work in Hanoi, and they feel like, oh, it's not hot. It's not really hot because they have experience when they was a student in Taiwan University. And now Taiwan is becoming more international. I saw a lot of foreign students here in Taiwan, and in this university like 50 students from Philippines and the other one from Indonesia, from Malaysia, from Mongolia, yes, from Laos, a lot of students, exchange students.
Yeah, exchange
So,
students.
so
They will study in the Taiwan University
uh,
about 2 years,
yeah, 4 years.
4 years.
4 years for the whole study, like for the whole university program. So they're gonna learn in 4 years, and then they now Taiwan University has a lot of opportunity for them to go abroad. So if they stay in the country, they don't get that opportunity. They have a lot of internship program for the student who graduate from Taiwan University of Agriculture and Forestry. They can go to the America working in a farm, or they can go to Germany to work in the factory or in the hotel or restaurants. So they got a lot of opportunity. Now the young people have a lot of opportunity, and one of the reason why they want to go to Vietnam. Yes. And Vietnam has such Thailand, like the living standard here in Thailand is not as high as in Hanoi, so they can live here with around 4 million per month,
Yeah,
and they got scholarship too.
yeah.
Yes. So let's go back to the lesson today. We spent 10 minutes talking. It's a great, it's a great that we can learn in 20 minutes and then we can have a free talk in 10 minutes to warm up, right?
Yeah, yeah. Beginner, not
Okay, this is low intermediate. Yes. What lessons are we learning?
18.
18. So we're gonna talk about clothing. Do you like this topic?
Yes, I like this topic.
What is your fashion style?
This is my I like 40
Yes. What kind? Like t-shirt and jean or t-shirt and shorts?
t-shirt, t-shirt and short jeans.
Yes. And what else? Do you like dress?
Before I like dress, but now I don't like.
Okay. Yes, like when I was a student, I buy whatever I like, and now I think I should think about my own fashion style and follow it. Just like follow one fashion style or maybe two fashion style. So the style and my sports style when I go to exercise, and another style is like princess style. That kind of style.
Is that
Some
yeah,
of
I know.
dress, yeah.
Yeah.
Some of like cute dress. Okay, so let's see. We have some new words and expression. Can you explain it for me?
Blouse, blouse,
Mhm.
a shirt,
Yes,
one style of shirt, and have a long sleeve.
long sleeve.
Yeah.
Okay. Not long sleeve. It's short sleeve. Blouse.
Short.
Like, like we call this in Vietnamese blue for the doctor.
Oh yes.
Yeah, but it's around like blouse, not blue.
Yeah.
Yes. The next one.
Shoes. Shoes. You for wear for our food.
Yes. So how many pair of shoes do you have?
I don't know.
So what?
Two. Two cabinet shoe. Most of them is sporty shoe.
Sneaker.
I I sneaker. I
Yes.
special when like and Adidas.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's two brand shoe I really like because when I wear it, it's very comfortable
Yes.
for walking a long time.
Yes. It's just like you are a kind of you love doing exercise in the morning and wearing shoe is really comfortable and it's very important for you. So choosing a shoe is important too.
Yes,
Yes, I got some shoes that I like, and maybe if I don't like the shoes and it's not suitable for me, I think I won't wear it anymore. Because now I'm like I graduate from university and I need to care more about my appearance and just like if it's suitable for me. So my
yes.
mindset changed. And what
Uh,
about sweater?
Weather,
Mhm.
one guy weather, uh, long sleeve and
Made by
made by Thailand.
what?
What by what?
Yes. Okay, and we normally wear this in which season?
In autumn and winter.
What about spring? Do you wear sweater?
Spring,
Yes.
yeah, we can use it. We can wear
Okay.
it.
Okay. So what about skirt? What is a skirt?
Skirt, skirt. Uh, one guy, but we but we can wear it instead of pants.
Pant, not pant.
A pant,
Pant.
yeah,
Yes.
a pant,
Pant or jeans.
pant or
So
jeans.
do you think wearing skirt is more convenient than wearing a pant or jeans?
Uh, I think more convenience is pants
Why? Why do you think so?
because when we sit down, it's very convenient and we don't need to shy.
To be shy,
We don't need to be shy.
but it's really hot in the summer if you wear jeans or pants.
You can wear short jean or short pants.
Okay. Yes. But it is not polite if you wear short jeans in some event.
Yes,
Okay, it's just like based on the situation, we can decide which one do you do it like more suitable.
yes.
And what about?
What about? How about?
Yes, when you
Yes,
suggest to do something, you say what about?
yes.
I like. This is
I like.
easy. Yes,
Yes, I like
this
this.
this and you
This
plus you put some
this
subjects
girl.
here.
This girl is beautiful.
Yes, this girl is beautiful. You look like.
You look like my teacher.
Yes, of course. So let's see. We have a conversation between Charles and Bob and Paul about Charles' new dress, new
Yes,
clothes, and you are Charles and Bob.
yes. Do you like this blouse?
Yes,
That blouse is beautiful.
thank you. What about these shoes? Do you like them?
I like those shoes.
I
I
really
really,
like. Okay, I want to be Bob. Just like we wanna do the role plays, the one by one.
yes.
I really
I
like
love.
those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do?
You look like a movie star, Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt,
That skirt is very nice.
Bob.
What?
What about this sweater?
Sweater. Sweater.
Sweater.
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. So what does she do? What does she do here?
She choose clothes.
Yeah, and she is no, she is asking opinions about the clothes.
Yes, she's
So,
asking opinions about her clothes.
and who does she ask for? Who does she ask?
Uh, she asked Bob and Paul.
Yes. So, what do they say about it? What do they say about the new clothes?
New clothes. Bob and Paul are always say beautiful.
It's beautiful. So,
Yes.
what what are they doing? What Bob?
They are watching. Bob and Paul are watching football match on television.
Yes. So finally, what did Cheryl do to pay the attention?
Uh, Cheryl already turns off the TV.
The television. Yes. So she turns off the television to pay the attention to her new clothes.
Yes.
Okay. So who looked like a movie star?
Cheryl.
Yes.
Bob said Cheryl looked like a movie star.
Yes.
Is that correct?
So how many kinds of clothes does she mention?
Uh,
Tell me
sweater,
the name. Yes. Sweater,
sweater, blouse,
blouse,
dress, skirt,
skirt.
and shoe.
Yes. So let's say
Total five.
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 Okay.
Yeah.
So they mentioned five kinds of clothes: the
Yeah.
blouse, the skirt, shoes, dress, and sweater.
Sweater.
Okay, so let's have some questions about you. Do you often try clothes on when shopping?
No.
Why not?
I uh, it's very hot and I like shopping online. I always choose the suitable me size and I will buy it.
What do you think is gonna fit you, or you gonna train it?
Trend it.
Yes. So when they don't fit you, what do you do?
When they don't fit me, I can give my younger sister or I never touch it again.
Oh, okay, but like
If I have a time, if I have a time, I will go to a clothes shop. Then maybe I can try it on.
yes.
Sometimes I don't try it on, just like I buy backward.
Oh,
And
okay.
sometimes I never thought it. I think it's very lucky.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's just like you don't have a time to go shopping, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
I have to take my daughter to everywhere I go.
uh,
So sometimes she's very noisy. I can do nothing.
okay, yes, I see. So, what about your grandparents? Do they have to take care of your baby?
My grandparents before when I when my baby 3 months I return to work and
Mm-hmm.
my younger sister and my mom
Mm-hmm.
uh, take care my baby in me. Then when she 18 months I took her go to kindergarten and now I take care of her every day.
Yeah, but it's quite early that you come back to work when she's 3 months.
Yes, but I have to back to work
Okay.
because yeah, because I want money.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Everyone want money,
No,
but
that time I earn money is very easily. So money is very
important.
interesting, very
Uh,
interesting, yes, very important. If it so much money can yeah, you know I might mean.
yes, I know. But like maybe 1 or 2 years, like 1 or 2 first year for the baby is really important. If
Very
their
important,
parents,
yeah.
their mother can
But
get it.
I never overtime and I work 7 hour every day. when my yes 7 hours every day until she 1 year old. And when I have to overtime, I don't like overtime. I
Yes.
will spend my own time for work, and I try my best to finish work before 5 p.m. But my new boss always needs me overtime. There's no work to overtime, but he always needs me overtime. I don't like that. I quit my
Oh,
job
okay. Yeah, you're kind of that my person and a kind of strong woman that you can
yeah,
do what you like.
because yeah.
Yes. Yes, I'm a kind of the person like that because I quit a job that I don't like. Because like working with somebody that I don't like can't have a motivation to work. So that's why I quit my previous job. And now I'm doing what I love. And I feel like it's okay. But
Uh,
I have to
and
earn a little money.
yeah, because I have a daughter, so I want a job that I can earn money and I can take care of my baby. I have the time spent for my family. If I have no time spent for my family, I never work. I never do that work, that job.
Yes. Okay, so maybe next time I will ask you how to earn money effectively. Yes, how to spend time to earn money. It's just like everyone want to earn money, but not everyone know to how to earn money.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I will ask you about your secret later, and I hope you will be willing to share it to me. So, what do you wear to a birthday party?
For my birthday,
Mhm. To a
sometimes I
birthday party
went
of other people.
if with my family. I always wear very simple and very comfortable. If I go out with my friends, I will wear sometimes like princess style,
Vintage,
like skirt,
vintage
yeah,
style. Yes, I know that's kind.
skirt and some makeup.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay, so do you often get dressed when going out?
when going out, when I go to work, I usually get dressed. But when I'm going out, I I like I like to dress t-shirt and short short
Hmm.
part or short pants.
Yes. Okay, so what do Vietnamese people often wear to a funeral?
Vietnamese people often wear to a funeral black clothes.
Like clothes? What else?
And if you have a relationship with that man, you have to take one white
Um,
white white white
white
white
knight.
strap, white knife on your head.
Yes, I know. And somebody have to like maybe the family members, so they have to
Family
take
have to
yes maybe
wear
the man like the first
white.
man in the family have to wear the white clothes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't know how to
White.
describe that. Oh,
And
what about nowadays? Do you think it's changing? Like Vietnamese people don't wear that kind of clothes. They wear something like
in
a sweet.
Swiss, Swiss, I think is will more
Yeah.
popular in a city, but in my countryside, uh, family member they always wear white clothes, and the sons of die people they have to take one. Thì cái che là gì?
This
Bamboo tree,
bamboo stick.
bamboo
No,
stick,
not bamboo
yeah,
tree. Bamboo stick only.
bamboo stick, yeah, they have to take bamboo stick.
Yes, I know. So, have you ever lost self confidence because of clothes that you are wearing?
Of course, sometimes I wear clothes that's not suitable with that event. I will feel very very unconfident.
And confidence. So
Yes.
yes, I know. So okay. So let's see. Do you have any questions for me? Because we don't have any questions here. Yes.
Now you live near with. Do you live with your friends now?
Yes, this is my friends. Let's see here.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Two persons
yeah,
in
two
one.
people in one room.
Yeah.
So the room is not so big, but I like it because we have our own room and we don't have a bathroom here. We have a
Yeah.
bathroom separate in another, like in this floor, but in another place. So we don't have a smelly bathroom.
Yeah.
You, if, so when you were a student, you want to have your bathroom available in your room.
When I was student, I live in school, school,
Dormitory.
school hotel, like a mini hotel for students.
Ah, okay. Yes, you were a Chiền student.
Yeah.
Yes, I know that sky because we have that sky in the Taiwan University of Technology.
Yeah.
So okay, so let's say it's just about the class today, and we have 1 minute left. You want to ask something else?
Tomorrow is Saturday, so
Yes.
we
Oh,
will.
yes, I'm gonna go to. Um, I think it is
You
the
back?
don't
Do you
know.
back? Do you back to see your grandparents?
No,
Short
tomorrow I will go like for a trip with my friends, foreign friends.
Do you often back your countryside?
Not really. I have been visit them like last weekend. No, not last weekend. 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks one time or
Yes, I
once a month
visit
one time?
them very often. I visit them very often. Okay,
Maybe
so
your students. See you later.
thank you for attending class, and I'm gonna see you on Monday. And have a
See
nice
you.
weekend. Okay,
Thank
bye.
you. Have a nice weekend.